Stock Charts YouTube channel. So today I am going to analyze the next Bank Nifty stock, that is PNB. It is one of the like a major stock in Bank Nifty, and PNB is a nationalized bank, and currently it is running at 42 rupees, and today it goes high by 0.30, that is 0.72%, and it is not a dividend giving stock. And let me check if it's few analysis I am able to provide to you. Punjab National Bank was founded in 1895. So this stock you can see will run for quite long, and will keep on running. And the employee base is quite high. So this stock, if you going to consider it for long term investment, that is quite good. So let me start analysis. My analysis move from higher time frames to lower time frame. 280 is the highest price in 2010. After that, second highest price is around 232, that is around 2017. It is at very low price right now. So if you consider it, it's if you want to go for investment, it's quite a good. 101 is the next you can say major resistance, and along with that, till now the major resistance which I am able to see from monthly pattern is this one, 48. So let me do, see, this one is that, and let me go into the one trend line I am able to see. If you are able to see also, this trend line is going in monthly, and it may happen like when this particular zone 48 is break, the movement will be quite high. So this one, let me mark till now, this one. Fine. In weekly, in weekly one, see, in weekly one, pattern is this, 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 might be this. So when the breakout is expected around 48, before then that no major breakout is there. Let me go into the daily time frame. If I see the daily time frame, the the analysis is, see guys, as per daily also the movement appears to be this one, upside movement. Fine. So let me go into the hourly time frame. These I'm working with price action, support and resistance, trend line. So if anything is there, yes, in hourly time frame it appears to be bullish. So even as per our super trend, the buy will come once 42 rupees 65 paisa will be covered. And if I go into the daily, the, see, the as per after the result the movement is high. Fine. So from within last 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, from 37 till 43, and today it is around 42 rupees. So high chances if movement, and there is a candle which you see, inverted hammer, hanging man candlestick. If I say inverted hanging man candlestick, this one, see, if this inverted wait, this let me check, in hammer hanging man, if I see here, this is this one inverted, this is inverted hammer. So if inverted hammer is there, the movement might be upside. So today closing is above than to yesterday's closing, so 30 paisa above. So let's see how it will proceed in the coming days. High chances the upside movement will be there, so keep an eye on it. So that's why I have marked PNB. And yesterday we analyzed bank nifty stocks. Let's see how they perform. The mark charts mark red marked are appears to be bullish as per our analysis, or might be bullish within the complete week. Bandhan Bank daily time frame. See, upside red candle, green candle, red candle. So there is a resistance, heavy resistance. So let me change its this one right now. Federal Bank still in our zone of this triangle 103 till this one, this dynamic support. Unless until dynamic support is break, or no major movement is there on downside. HDFC Bank, guys, HDFC Bank is actually working with our C dynamic support. So if it breaks the dynamic support 1344, otherwise if retracement happens, then 1518, 1582. Fine. IDFC First Bank, let me go into the daily. Symmetrical triangle, Indus Industrial, dynamic support, for IDFC. This one is null and void. Sorry, Control Z. This is symmetrical triangle. This is still valid. Indus Industrial trying to break the dynamic support, but taking a support at 913. Wait and watch. ICICI Bank. Yesterday I told you like might be this type, so that it works accordingly. So let me so I can say now this one is more specific. I told you yesterday in the yesterday's video, like the trend line will change. Kotak Bank. See guys, Kotak Bank is also with symmetrical triangle. Let me mark it like that. And SBIN. SBIN. Guys, SBIN is in range of 525 to 543. Any side breakout is a huge breakout. So guys, this is regarding the bank nifty stocks. I hope you like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel and do share the videos with those who are actually doing stock trading. And also like let me know your thoughts about my videos. And one disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered person, so this is purely for the educational purpose. If you're going to trade, trade at your own risk, and do take consultation with the financial analyst. Have a nice day guys. Thank you.